Your friend says, "If I study hard, I will pass." But what if they don't study? Is the promise broken? Today we learn how to combine statements using logic. A simple statement is one sentence that is either true or false. A compound statement joins two simple statements using a connective like and, or if-then. Conjunction means and, written P wedge Q. Like needing both money and stock at the market, true only when both are true. Disjunction means or, written P v Q, true when at least one is true. Implication means if-then, written P arrow Q. It is false only when P is true, but Q is false. Equivalence means if, and only if. True when both have the same truth value. Example 1. Let P be 2 is even, which is true. Let Q be 5 is odd, which is also true. Find the truth value of each compound statement. P and Q, both true, so true. P or Q, at least one true, true. P implies Q, true leads to true, so true. P if and only if Q, both match, true. Example 2. Let P be 3 is odd, which is true. Let Q be 4 is odd, which is false. Now find the truth values. P and Q, 1 is false, so false. P implies Q, P is true but Q is false, the only case that gives false P if and only if Q, they don't match, false. Many students think P implies Q is the same as Q implies P. It is not. If it rains the ground is wet, does not mean if the ground is wet it rained. Remember, and is strict, both must be true, or is kind, just one will do. Implication only fails when true leads to false. Equivalence needs a perfect match. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes, exercises and past paper solutions. See you next time.